I'm Matt. Citing a book is probably the most basic reference you'll make in APA style. While it's pretty simple, you always want to double check and make sure you've correctly attributed your source. So let's take a look at how to cite a book in APA. To cite a book in APA, you'll need the following information: the author's name, the year the book was published, the title of the book, and the publisher's name. Most, if not all of this information should be listed on either the title page or the publication page at the front of the book. Now that you have all your information, you can build your reference. Start by listing the author's last name, followed by a comma, and then the author's first and middle initials. If the book has more than one author, list the author's names in the same order they appear on the publication page. Separate each one with a comma, and add an ampersand before the last author's name. Yes, even if there are only two. Next, you'll write the year the book was published in parentheses, and don't forget the period after the closing parenthesis. Now we can put the title of the book. As with most title listings, put the title of the book in italics. Also, be sure to only capitalize the first letter of the first word in the title and subtitles, as well as any proper nouns. Again, don't forget that period after the title. We'll cap off our reference with the name of the book's publisher. Finally, as with every kind of reference, make sure you use a hanging indent. If you're citing an ebook that you found online, from a database, or from an e-reader, you'll need the URL or the DOI link for the site that you got the book from. APA allows the use of shortened URLs and DOIs in your references. An ebook reference looks the same as the regular book reference, except that it has a URL or DOI at the end. When you quote, paraphrase, or summarize a piece of text from another source, you'll need to include an in-text citation in order to properly attribute that quote to its original source. This can take two forms, a narrative citation and a parenthetical citation. A narrative citation in APA is simply naming the author at some point when you introduce the quote, followed by the publication year of the work in parentheses. At the end of the quote, write the page numbers inside parentheses. A parenthetical citation uses all of the same information, but simply includes it all in parentheses at the end of the quote. Make sure to separate each piece of information with a comma. And that's it! Like I said, citing a book in APA is pretty straightforward. If you still need some help, check out the EasyBib Plagiarism Checker. It will find any quotes you may have forgotten to cite and help you create references that are perfect. Thanks for watching!